Most people use the iPhone Notes app just for basic notes, but it can actually do a lot more than that. Let me show you some features you probably didn't know about. If you use folders and subfolders to organize your notes, you know how annoying it is to keep going back just to open another note. There is a faster way. Open any note, tap the three-dot menu, and select Recent Notes. When you tap on it, it shows you a list of up to 8 notes that you recently opened, so you can switch between them instantly without going back and forth. The list updates automatically, and if you ever want to clear that list, there is a clear option right at the bottom. You can actually create PDFs directly from your iPhone and save them inside Notes without using any third-party apps. Let's say you're reading an article or web page and you want to save it for later. Tap the Share button, scroll down and select Print. Now instead of choosing a printer, look at the preview at the bottom. Use 2 fingers and zoom into the preview just like you zoom into a photo. That instantly converts it into a PDF. From there, tap the Share button again and choose Notes to save it. Now you have that content stored as a PDF inside your Notes app. One of the best parts about saving PDFs in Notes is that they are fully searchable. This means you can search for any word or phrase and your iPhone will even find it inside the PDF content. So if you are saving articles, documents or any study material, this becomes super useful. You can also add links inside your notes, which is perfect for organizing information. Just press and hold anywhere inside a note until the menu appears. Then tap the arrow and select Add Link. From here, you can either paste a website link or even link another note. If you type the name of a note, your iPhone will suggest matching notes that you can link directly. You can also customize the text of the link so it looks clean and organized. If you still like writing things on paper, you can easily bring that into your Notes app. Just tap the paperclip icon inside a note and you will see 2 options, Scan Text and Scan Documents. If you choose Scan Text, your iPhone will use the camera to detect written or printed text and turn it into editable text. And if you choose Scan Documents, it will capture the whole page like a proper scanned file. The best part is, after that, your iPhone can even search through that content even if it's handwritten. You probably already know that you can share a single note, but did you know you can share a whole folder too? Just open the folder, tap on the Share button and send the invite. Once the other person joins, both of you can add, edit or even delete notes inside that folder. It's actually really useful for things like group projects, trip planning or any kind of shared work. So that was it. Did you already know about these features or do you have any other useful Notes app tips? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more iPhone tips.